Today I'm going to be UTP. I'm going to go outside, go to the black wheel, the bright black. We're going to go record a YouTube video. So let's go see where that baby is. My dad's going to come pick me up soon because my parents are separated. So right now we got to see where I can put my phone and then do it. Okay, right here. Guys, I do it. Watch. Gotta get my helmet. Unplug it. Alright guys, I gotta get the bike out. Sorry guys, but my dirt bike was a little slow. Sorry guys, but did you see the video?